if it's pressure, please say this shit aloud. You wanna keep a plea, don't bring the bit around. You better ask.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kierstinsimonemgmt, but we're family, so call me Key. Today, girl, we are going to be trying the trendy black girl UK makeup routine. Now, I have been on TikTok, and babe, the UK girls are on to something, and I need to be on what they're on because the routine is giving. The routine is giving, and I have to try it. So that's what we're doing today. So if you are ready to see me try this routine, go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and become another baddie in the baddie cartel, period. Okay, y'all, so I got my eyebrows filled in, right? I have my eyebrows filled in. I'm gonna take my NARS creamy concealer in walnut, the mini size, and I'm going to highlight up under my eyebrows because they use a nice highlight up under the brows. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty concealer and go above my brow. And y'all, I don't really spend too much time on my eyebrows because, like I said, I really don't like doing them. But for the sake of the video, we're doing it. Okay, boom, those are the brows that I'm giving, and it's giving another cup of barefoot fruscato. Okay, what I'm about to do now, or what I just did, I went in with my Urban Decay Quick Fix. I like to use this before I do my makeup to kind of freshen up my face a little bit. And now I'm gonna take the infamous Milk Hydro Primer, Gripping Primer. Now, I wanted the spray, but of course you bitches made it viral, and it is sold out. Okay, she is sold out, so I'm gonna have to catch getting the setting spray, you know, one of these days. What I'm gonna do now is I am going to go in with my foundation. This is the Born This Way 24 Hour Super Long Wear Foundation in the color Chai. I'm about to go ahead and put that on. Usually I do my foundation last, but the girls do their foundation first. So that's what we're doing. And I'm just gonna pat that in all over my face.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something good.
Okay, I may have put on too much foundation because we're looking real orange. So now I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer, the multi-use sculpting concealer in caramel. So now what we do is we're just going to put the concealer here and here. So we're gonna do that. concealer here, here, and here. And down the nose. And I've never used this concealer all over, so this is going to be interesting. Now I'm going in with my Perfection Multi-Use Concealer from NK Makeup. Regular good old beauty supply store concealer. Love it. Literally love it. And I'm just going to put a few dots on my cheekbone. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contour while the concealer is setting. Now this is a part of my usual routine, so to do my foundation first, it's scary, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. Because nevertheless, the girls prove why it is what it is. So we're just gonna have to, we're gonna have to go with it. We're gonna have to go with it, okay? Period. So that is my contour for my cheeks. I'm going to go in and go ahead and blend out this concealer. I'm going to start from the bottom and blend it out, but try to stay within this region and not bring it down. Or let's start here first, because I still want to let this dry. I want this to get the maximum tackiness, so I'm going to start here. And I'm just going to keep blending. And I find this so weird. I haven't necessarily put concealer here normally in just the top region. So interested to see what this is gonna look like on flash. I'm really scared. And then now I'm just gonna blend out my chin.
Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I spit it.
Then I'm gonna go for my forehead.
Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
And now I'm going to blend out the concealer. We're gonna go with this. It's smaller anyway, so I can get it to them corners.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.
I found my powder. So now we are gonna get into the nitty gritty. Okay, so the girls, they bake. I don't normally bake, but the girls bake. So guess what we're doing today? We're baking. And I'm just gonna take my beauty blender powder, tap tap, and press and bake. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. We're gonna go here. I'm not gonna really bake the other places I put concealer, but I am going to set those places. And so I do see that the girls carve. So I'm going to try to carve, even though I don't normally do. And this is where I normally put my contour, my bronzer. So I'm gonna do that same thing here and just really accentuate the cheeks. All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna take my Morphe bronzer in Leader, And I'm just going to go here where I put that space I left for my cheeks. Take my Juvia's Place Bella blush, and I'm going to go ahead and add blush to my cheeks. Now, the one thing we gotta call me, I love a good blush. I love a good cheek moment. I love a good blush. So yeah, we're about to put that on, period. And I'm talking about put it on, baby. Put it on. Put it on. And on the nose too. Can't forget the nose. Okay. 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 Alright, y'all. So for the lids, I'm gonna keep it super, super simple. Cause the girls, they keep it super simple, babe. Easy. Easy for the girls to catch on to and to do, babe. Okay. So I'm gonna take my ℚ𝕬𝕬𝕬𝕬 palette from Yardie Cosmetics. And I'm just going to apply the color Bad Gal in Browning to my eyelid. And I truly just want to accentuate my eye discoloration because, to be honest, that's the same color that I put on my lid, just a little deeper. You know, just to give it some ~·····. I'm ready for Nikki Tape because I am. Boy, you know what me running away. I don't have makeup in my hair. God. So this whole time, y'all been seeing me have makeup on my fucking hair and hasn't said a word. What's next on the list? So we are going in with a foundation that is the same color as we are, and we're going to sweep off all of the powder. Just sweep it off. So I'm just gonna take a brush and sweep the powder away like the girl said. So
Till you reach my peak, babe. Trying to climb up my mountain. I want to play in your deep end.
okay, girl. Period. Look at a natural highlight. Duh. Duh. What you mean? What you mean? Now I'm gonna go back into my powder, and I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Alright, and now I'm going to take one of my favorite highlighters, even though I don't wear highlighter anymore. It's going to be the Nubian by Juvia's Loose Highlighter in Nubia. A nice, cute color, so I'm going to just dump some in the top and find a nice, fluffy brush. Okay, y'all, so we've pretty much done everything. All we have to do is lashes and lips, and we will be done with this tutorial. So just give me 1 second. Let me put on my lashes. And then we're gonna come back for lips. All right, y'all, now that I have gotten everything done, have my eyelashes, face, everything, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray. All right, girls, so this is the UK Black Girl makeup, and you tell me, Okay, you tell me fire, straight fire. The girls know what they're doing, and I'm gonna keep listening. I'm gonna keep tuning in, because girl, do you see his face? This is so beautiful. I'm like in love. Like, oh my gosh, and the hair. Like, literally, honestly and truly, I'm from Manchester. And you know, I just do my thing. I'm just here in the States because my family is here, and that's just that. But I'm really from Manchester because, babes, I fit in with the look, the makeup. It fits, babe. And I'm just like ecstatic. Like, girl, this is definitely gonna be my new makeup routine, period. Because, girl, do you see the face? Do you see the material? The material. Yeah, period. We're gonna do a flash test too. We're not gonna get off that easy. Babe. Y'all saw the flash? Yeah. She is flash approved, ladies and gents. She is flash approved. Yeah, you see the material. Flash approved, babes. Yo, I truly hope you enjoyed this video and my rendition of the Black Girl UK makeup. Y'all, please do follow this trend. Y'all go try this trend out for real. Like, do you see his face? Head over to TikTok and look up this trend, honey, because the girls are taking off, okay? Period. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to become a part of the Baddie Cartel. I know you want to be here. I know you want all the tea and the juice. Okay, I know you want it. So hit that subscribe button to become a member of the Baddie Cartel, period. Where I drop videos weekly. Why not? You're here, go ahead and subscribe. If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. It seems to me like you're a batch. So it seems to me like you need to be a member of the cartel. So hit that subscribe button. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Kierstinsimonemgmt. Okay. Because I do post there often as well. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I truly, truly, truly appreciate you guys. And I will see you in the next one.